Tarus is a custom machine builder. This is the latest Gen 3 model of our clay mill. We have a lot of different customers using them, from motorcycle design to automotive design and other types of design techniques.
From the beginning, we're the inventor of the clay mill. Clay designers at this point, they don't like to have to work on the clay as much and scrape it. They used to do everything by hand sweeps. Back in the early 80s, we started making our own interface. The one thing we were lacking though was some of the power behind it. We were looking for a partner that could help us take us over the top. Siemens came along and they said, hey, you know what? We got something here for you that we could actually let you guys use your interface, but use our control as the back end.
Prior to working with Siemens, Tarus built their own control system. What they were looking for is a partner that they could be in for the long haul. One that is globally recognized, that can help give their machines a competitive edge.
Being the service director, one of my biggest needs is making sure that I have reliable parts, reliable partners, the ability to call on somebody when I need them. And Siemens and Cinemeric One, Electromatic, everybody's been a really good integrative partner.
Tarus was looking to update their controls from a homegrown solution to a more world-renowned, global supported product. And that's when we had connected with them and looked to introduce them to the Siemens product portfolio.
There's a long history with Tarus and their own captive control. And they've had a lot of know-how with HMI screens and kinematics for their machine. So they quickly adopted, with the Cinemeric One, our capability for multi-axis kinematics, 5-axis technology, and bring machines faster to market.
We are using the Cinemeric One on all our clay cutting machines right now. Gives us much more accelerations, top end speed than we ever had before. And the performance, the cut quality is outstanding. So now they get the experience with the user interface, but they had the horsepower behind.